Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today we're going to talk about Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat is one of the alternate dispute redressal mechanism. It is a forum where dispute cases pending in the court of law or at pre-litigation stage are settled, compromised amicably. Lok Adalats have been given statutory status under the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987 under the said Act. The award decisions made by the Lok Adalat is deemed to be a decree of a civil court and is final and binding on all parties, and no appeal against such an award lies before any court of law. If the parties are not satisfied with the award of the Lok Adalat, though there is no provision for an appeal against such an award, but they are free to initiate litigation by approaching the court of appropriate jurisdiction by filing a case by following the required procedure in exercise of their legal right to litigate. There is no court fee payable when a matter is filed in a Lok Adalat. If a matter pending in the court of law is referred to the Lok Adalat and is settled subsequently, the court fee originally paid in the court on the complaints petition is also refunded back to the parties. The persons deciding the cases in the Lok Adalats are called the members of the Lok Adalats. They have the role of statutory conciliators only and do not have any judicial role. Therefore, they can only persuade the parties to come to a conclusion for settling the dispute outside the court in the Lok Adalat and shall not pressurize or coerce any of the parties to compromise or settle cases or matters either directly or indirectly. The Lok Adalat shall not decide the matters so referred as its own instance. Instead, the same would be decided on the basis of the compromise or settlement between the parties. The members shall assist the parties in an independent and impartial manner in their attempt to reach amicable settlement of their dispute. Lok Adalat is a system of a dispensation of a justice which has come into existence to grapple with the problem of giving cheap and speedy justice to the people. Lok Adalat, as the very name suggests, means people's court. Lok stands for people and Adalat means court. I hope you are pretty much clear with the concept of Lok Adalat, and if not so, then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts and queries, and I will clear all your doubts and queries regarding Lok Adalat in my next video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.